Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and today I'm going to show you how to make chili con carne extra hot. I also attempted to make flatbread with it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. So first thing first, I'm gonna try to make this flatbread. It's my first time, so we'll see how that goes. So I have flour, I added a pinch of salt and melted butter. I mix it together and then put it aside for about 20 minutes. I chopped up one whole onion, red chili, green chili, dried chili and garlic. For my seasoning, I have black pepper, coriander seed and salt. You can use already cooked kidney beans, but I bought mine raw, so I had to cook them for an hour and a half until it was soft. It's time to fry up the beef and all the ingredients. So I preheated the pan with olive oil, added the onions and all the chili, and I cooked this for about 10 minutes. And once it was cooked, I added chili flakes, paprika and the seasoning that I mashed together earlier, and I allowed this to simmer for about 5 minutes. I added water, allowed that to cook for about 3 minutes. I added tomato puree to the mix and I allowed this also to cook for about 5 minutes before adding the kidney beans to it, and this sizzled for an extra 10 minutes and then it was ready. Now it's time to work on my flatbread. So after the 20 minutes, this is how the dough looks like. I use the rolling pin to roll it up and down until I could get it as flat as I could, and then I put a little bit of olive oil in the pan and then I put the flatbread on it, and I made sure that I was looking at it and turning it every few minutes so that it doesn't get burned. And that was that. I then decided to make a creamy sauce, which I used plain yogurt, mayo and then added coriander leaves to it. It's really simple and it tastes really good. And this is it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.